Happy birthday, we're celebrating you today. Like Dr. King holiday, we ain't gonna do any work today.
This song right here is dedicated to all my fans celebrating birthday today. Happy birthday. Let it flow.
Traveling in my Mercedes to see my lady. Special treating for my Rudy, strategies ready. You know, moody for my duty, nothing for guilty. Cause I built it past the think that I'm silly. Conversation with my homie, my running her over to lay me, this freaking Murray. Picturing her naughty body like missionary. Blessing her beautiful heart, my visionary. Heavy her vocabulary, keep mesmerizing. Not in my boot dictionary, not hypnotizing. Intoxicated with a smile and sense of humor. Happy belated with my love, baby, fuck the woman. Questioning my accurator, why it bless me with you. You deserve the heavenly angel, baby, it's real too. Happy birthday to my sweet earth for coming my way. May God bless you.